this video, I will explain how to paint skin tones in Procreate. I will use my custom brushes in this video, which you can download using the link below. And if you would like to support this channel and see more tutorials, please consider subscribing. And without further ado, let's get started. Add a new layer for the base color. The base color should neither be too dark nor too bright. Choose the colors from the image for accuracy on your paintings. So let's pick our base color. Open your color picker and select the mid-tone. Neither too bright or not too dark. Now select the round brush from my brush set. You can always use the plain round brush for other softwares. Now let's add the base color and then we can add the shadows and highlights. Now, add a layer for your shadows and highlights and set it to clipping mask. Now use your color picker tool to select the skin tones and then add them onto your painting. Personally, I do the mid-tones first, then I do the lightest and darkest tones on a separate layer. This gives a more realistic and appealing look to my paintings. So let's start with the darker mid-tone and then move our way towards the lighter one. Now that we are done adding the skin tones, let us use our soft brush or soft airbrush to blend them. Now there are two ways to get nicely blended skin. First, you move your stylus in circular manner. That just gives more control over the blending and helps you achieve smooth skin. And the other way is to move your stylus sideways between two skin tones. This gives a rough skin effect to the paintings. Now let's quickly finish this step and move to the next one. Now repeat the last step, but this time only at the darkest and lightest skin tone. Add a new layer, set it to clipping mask, and then select the darkest skin tone and then paint it. You can repeat adding skin tones until you get the desired look. Now, for the last step, we will use the rough skin brush in the touch-ups category to add highlights.